Greetings everyone, and welcome to my Python course. We are going to talk about dictionaries in Python. A dictionary in Python is like a digital container that holds a pair of related things, keys and values. Think of it as a real-world dictionary where words, which are the keys, have meaning, which are the values. Dictionaries helps us organize and quickly find information based on these keys. Dictionaries are an ordered collection of key-value pairs. Unlike lists or tuples, we can't directly access dictionary elements using numerical indexing. Instead, we can use the keys to access the corresponding values. This allows us quickly retrieve values based on their associated keys. For instance, if we have a dictionary containing information about people's ages, we can access a person's age using their name as a key. Now let's create an example in order to understand. Let's create a dictionary called student scores. As we can see, dictionaries in Python are created by using the elements inside the curly brackets. In addition, we have keys and values. In this dictionary, the keys are Alice, Bob, and Eve, whereas the values are 82 for Alice, 92 for Bob, and 78 for Eve. Now let's try to access the value of Alice. As we can see, by writing student scores and then we put the key of Alice, Python printed the value of Alice, which is 82. We can also print the value of Bob. Print. We got the value of 92. What we did here by creating a dictionary, defining the key value pairs with curly braces, this is called dictionary packing. Now let's talk about dictionary unpacking. Dictionary unpacking involves assigning the key value pairs of a dictionary to a multiple variables. Let's create a new dictionary called student. Name equal to John, age equal to 22, major computer science, student underscore name. We will assign the value of student name into student and then put the key name, which is name, and student underscore age to student and then age. Now let's print name and we put student name. We got the value of John. Print student age. We got the value of 22. Dictionaries are mutable, means that we can modify their data. Let's give another example to show that dictionaries are mutable. A student is a major, and we will assign the value to electrical engineering. And print student. As we can see, the major has been changed from computer science to electrical engineering. There are many functions can be used with dictionaries. For example, the len function. Print len student. It gives us 3 because we have 3 keys in our dictionary. In addition, we can use dot keys to extract the keys in our dictionary. So print student dot keys. We got only the keys in our dictionary, which are name, age, and major. We can also print only the values in our dictionary. Print student, we put the name of our dictionary dot values. As we can see, we got John 22 and electrical engineering. In addition, we can print the keys and values by using dot items. So print student dot items parentheses. We got name and John, age and 22, major and electrical engineering. We can also remove keys from our dictionary by using del statement or pop method. For example, del As we can see, here in this case Python deleted age key and its value 22. In addition, we can also use pop method. Student pop name student. As we can see, by using pop method and we put the name of our key, Python printed the key and value. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share the video, and leave your comment under the comment section. Until next time, happy analyzing.